Third time's a charm for the Galaxy Z Flip? Not really, because the Flip 3 is actually a second generation flip with just one purpose: to make the folding phones mainstream. And Samsung has succeeded with that. The original Flip was a nice folding phone, but it was more expensive than the best non-folding phone Samsung made at that time. The tiny front screen and no water resistance added to making it difficult to recommend. With the Z Flip 3, Samsung has brought the pricing down to 3,800 dirhams, which is a good deal cheaper than many non-folding flagship phones. But don't let the cheaper price fool you. The Z Flip 3 sports the fastest chipset for Android phones, the Snapdragon 888. Samsung has also added some water resistance, so you no longer have to worry about accidentally spilling some water on your phone. There is no dust resistance though, so you can't walk around the Z Flip 3 during a sandstorm. The front screen is much larger now. Samsung says 4 times the original. You can access notifications, widgets, and Samsung Pay. I would have liked to see some more interaction with notifications, such as returning a missed call or answering messages with a quick shortcut, but at least it's a step in the right direction. You can also use the front screen to take selfies now and actually tell what you're taking a picture of. Cameras unfortunately haven't changed, and the Z Flip 3 rocks the same wide and ultra-wide camera setup of its predecessor. They're not bad cameras, but don't expect S21 level photography. I can understand that Samsung needed to cut some corners to bring the pricing on the phone to a more affordable level, and I think Samsung has made the right choices with the Z Flip 3. You are now getting a phone with the top specs, but with a screen that's 120Hz and folds in half for the same price as a high-end phone. That to me is a win. For the full review, check out techradar.com.